Can you see who visited your profile on Instagram? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to find out if it's possible to check who viewed your Instagram profile. So let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Instagram. And from here, go to the bottom right corner. So unlike TikTok, Instagram does not allow you to see who has viewed your profile. Many apps and tricks online claim that they can show you exactly who viewed your profile, but Instagram does not have this feature officially. Still, here are a few legit ways to understand who has interacted with your profile. So the first thing you can do is find the option to view your stories. So if you head over to stories and swipe up, you can find who has viewed your story right over here. And then from there, you can check other features like your insights. So if you have your Instagram turned into a professional account, as you can see, I have the professional dashboard. If you head over there, you'll be able to see the views that you've gotten, including your story views, your reels, and everything. And then you'll have your interactions as well. How many people have interacted with your posts, your stories, or reels. And then you'll see your content that you've shared. You can also find the option to find likes, comments, and follows. And if people send you DM, then you definitely know that they have visited your profile. So these are some of the things that you can consider to check if someone has viewed your profile or not. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.